Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the mobile app settings for the Eureka E10s. This is the main screen you're going to be at once you have your device all set up and ready to go, where we can quickly enter in, that's the big blue button, or we can quickly start cleaning. So let's enter in and look at the device settings here. So first up, it's going to take us to our populated map, which in the top right-hand corner of the map, we have a map edit option. That brings us to a lot of different things we can do, like setting up no-go zones and virtual walls and barriers. This also supports multi-level mapping, so all that can be achieved right here. Further down, we have 3 different tabs for our cleaning options: full, room, or zone. And we can select multiple zones to clean, up to 5 zones on the map to clean. Below that, we have our dust collection, so we can initiate that right here, and we can also initiate a clean. And you'll notice, let's go back to the full setting, right-hand side down at the bottom, we have our cleaning preferences. So we can adjust our water level 4 different ways, our suction power 4 different ways. We can toggle on and off mop mode and carpet mode right there. And back at the screen, top right-hand corner, we have more device settings where we can set it up on a schedule. We can view our cleaning history with a nice rundown and breakdown of each clean. So take a look at that. Even shows you a populated map after your clean. Then we have our map management. So we looked at some of these features, but right here, this is where we can turn on or off multi-floor mapping and save multiple maps and easily create a new map as needed. Voice settings, we have robot settings here, so we can turn on things like child lock or do not disturb, change our area. We can even conduct a factory reset if needed. Automatic dust collection settings here, how many times and when. Then we have our accessory lifetime, basically a breakdown of each individual part and component and when it's time to conduct maintenance. We can manually drive and control the vacuum, which is cool, right with our phone. We can find the vacuum if it's lost. And then lastly, everything else is your typical device info, firmware updates, FAQ, customer support, things like that at the bottom. So very neat, clean, simple, and organized app that's easy to find and customize exactly what you're looking for.